So here we are in the 3C trophy of technique. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at number 9. Now, as you can see, this is a listen and repeat exercise. The way we're going to break this down is we're going to learn each line, and then we're going to separate the left and the right hand and then put them together. Let's first talk about the positions. We have our thumbs are going to share D with this exercise. So our thumbs are right here, and we have all the other notes lined up on the other keys. Let's take a look at the right hand. Now the fingering for this is a little interesting. What we're going to do is we're going to have this little gap between the F. So we have D, E, skip F, and then the G, then the A, then the B. We have this little gap. We're going to have that for pretty much the whole exercise. So it goes da 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 da. So all of these 5 notes. Da 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 da. Remember, skip F. Now let's take a look at the left hand. Pretty simple. We have our first chord, then we have our fourth chord, and then back to our first chord. Very easy. So first, fourth, first. Now the tricky part in this section is we have a D right here, but we also have the same D right here. Now what we have to do is we basically just have to move our thumb out of the way so we can play the other D. So we're going to go da, da. So if you can practice that, it'll be a lot easier. So da, 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 da. Let's go ahead and try it.
1, 2, set, go.
Okay, moving on to line 2. Right hand, we are in the same position with this stretch right there from the F or from the G to the, or E to the G. Da 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 da. Same position. Left hand, almost the same thing. We have first, fourth, and then 5, 7. So your 5th position with the added 7th. So first, fourth, 5, 7. Da 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 da. We have another one of those tricky things where we have the D right here, and then we have the D right here, or D right here. Same thing, we have to just move that thumb out of the way so we can play it with the other hand. So we have da, 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 da. Let's go ahead and try it.
1, 2, set, go.
The thumb. That's pretty much it for that one. Let's go to the next one. Actually, we can skip this one because it's the same thing as the first one, or the first line. So let's go to the last line. So we're going to jump positions. So from our right hand, we're going to move to the D. Da, 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 da. So we're in the G position. Da, 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 da. Pretty easy. Da, 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 da. The left hand, however, is pretty tricky, actually. It helps if you have your chord progressions, all of your chords pretty solid. That will always help. We have our first, then we're going to go down to our 5th position, and then we're going to jump to our 4th position, and then we have our first position. So first, 5th, 4th, first. Putting hands together. Da, 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 da. Putting those hands together can be pretty tricky, so make sure you highlight just this one and work on it individually so you're not having to do everything and then always mess up at the end. So you have... Let's go ahead and try it.
1, 2, set, go.
4th, then 1st. Okay, let's do the whole thing. Again, this 3rd line right here is the exact same thing as the first line, so it repeats.
1, 2, set, go.
Make sure you have this little split. Okay, and then wait for the next part. 5, 7. first part again. Then comes the tricky part. Now first. So it goes fourth, then first. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Make sure you do exactly what I did, break it up, do the right hand, left hand, put them together. It may seem like it takes longer, but that's definitely the fastest way to do things. Okay, so go ahead and work on this, and good luck.